Hi, everyone. I've just arrived in Paris. Right now, I'm outside the train station, and I need to take a taxi to my hostel. In this video, you'll listen to a real-life English conversation. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to understand. Let's go. Excuse me, is this the taxi stand?
Yes, it is. Are you looking for a taxi?
Yes, I am. Are you available?
Yes, I'm available. Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to my hostel, please.
Sure. Do you have the address?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Let me show you.
All right, let me take a look. Okay, I know this place.
Great. Is it far from here?
Not too far. It's about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that sounds good.
Please get in.
Thank you. Excuse me, how much will it cost approximately?
It should be around 20 to 25 euros.
Is that a fixed price or by meter?
It's by meter, so the final price depends on traffic.
I understand. This is my first time in Paris.
Oh, really? Welcome to Paris.
Thank you. I'm very excited to be here.
You will enjoy it. Paris is a beautiful city.
Yes, I've heard a lot about it. Is this the fastest route?
Yes, I'm taking the quickest way to avoid traffic.
That's good.
Sometimes the traffic can be heavy, especially in the evening.
I see. Could you please drop me off near the entrance of the hostel?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you. The streets look very beautiful.
Yes, especially at night. The city looks amazing.
I can't wait to explore.
We are almost there.
That was fast?
Yes, not much traffic today. Here we are. This is your hostel.
Great. Thank you. How much is it?
It's 22 euros.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Payment is successful.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a nice stay in Paris.
Thank you very much. Now, let's learn some important words from this conversation. Taxi stand, a place where taxis wait. Available, ready to take passengers. Address, the place you want to go. Cost, how much money you pay. By meter, price depends on distance and time. Traffic, cars on the road. Route, the way to your destination. Drop off, to take someone to a place and stop. Try to repeat these words after me. Great job listening. Now I've arrived at my hostel in Paris. In the next video, I will check in and show you real English conversation at the hostel. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next episode.